1st, 2021. This one here is kind of an interesting one. I got a call from this lady. I thought I worked for her before. She had that drum trap under the sink that was all leaking, and I went over there and cut it all out and put a regular trap in there with some jet clampets and pulled a lavimoniere out of her sink for her. Well, she's been calling me. She had water in the basement, and I told her to have a septic checked. I told her she got to locate the leak before she, starts calling around people. And says there was water all around where the dishwasher was in the kitchen sink area, but there's nothing up top. There's no water up top. She said it smelled like sewage, so I had to have the septic checked out. She called me back. She said she still can't find the leak. Well, she wants me to go over there today and see if I can figure out where the leak's coming from. I mean, she said that the ceiling's soaked up top there, right? Basically below where the dishwasher is, it's all soaked. So we're going over there now, and you never know, it might be an interesting one. Another damsel in distress. Oh yeah, another damsel in distress, Molly. Another damsel in distress. Wow. Yeah, I think that might be the dishwasher.
I said the dishwasher too.
Wow. Just flipping running everywhere.
Now the first time I spoke to you, right? Like just this was wet over here. Now
yeah, because this is where the sink is over here.
Right.
This is where the sink is.
And that's like a lot drier. I mean, look over here, it's just soaking wet.
And you tried shutting it off and nothing.
Nothing.
Wow, what a flippin' shit show, huh? Cobweb City here.
Look at this though. Look at this we found the other day. Kevin from Sanitation was like,
all right, let's go look upstairs.
I'm like, what is that? Like, I don't know. I don't know.
That made my day. Get this thing apart. Did they put the floor? No. I bet you it's right in there. What?
I just laugh at this house. I just have to because I know all of the killing stuff. I just
flipping
every day there's something.
It's always something, you know.
The guy was here yesterday putting the sheetrock up upstairs, skin coating the ceiling. But I might just tell him I need a couple of days because I have an asthmatic and my chest gets, that's from all that fine dust, you know? I need a couple of days off.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, look at
I don't know if that's a Phillips or can't see shit. My glasses are all foggy.
Listen.
You know.
No, it's one of those, you know, like, has like a whole bunch of different things on it. What do you call that?
Yeah, it's coming out now. Not good.
Is it a Phillips or is it one of those things?
I think there might be more screws on top.
Just a little of them.
I've got a couple of screws loose, no?
Come on, hug.
I don't see nothing leaking here. This looks all dry. This looks all dry here, doesn't it?
It does. I mean, underneath the
there must be a leak spraying up, maybe from downstairs, spraying up.
Okay. Like
because I don't see no leaks here.
Right. It's dry. I mean, well, it's soft, not, you know, it's old.
I mean, that's a flippin' hurricane running down there.
Yeah.
You're saying it's not the sink, you don't see any water there, right? It's, this is where it comes through the floor.
That was always wondering, like, see this pipe here, it's so old.
No, I'm in the copper pipe.
Oh.
Let's see.
That poor kid that died and got me, I was sick. Oh, so young.
What happened?
You didn't hear about that car accident?
That seems to be okay.
You drive 100 miles an hour?
It's gotta be downstairs spraying up. It's gotta be a leak downstairs spraying up.
One of the pipes in?
I don't see nothing here. Let's go look back down there.
When Kevin from sanitation got here, he said it was just about to overflow. It was so full.
Oh, the septic.
Yeah, we just read how everything happened at once, but I'm just saying. I don't know why it's in the sub pump, but whatever.
Well, it's kind of weird that it's like there's like a double floor here.
Right?
Huh?
Yeah, I know, that's a...
There's like a double floor.
And like the first, when I called you the first time, just so you know, these two boards here were wet, like these two. Now we're all the way across. I mean, I don't think it's some small leak. And of course, that thing's going off every 2 fucking minutes.
I don't know, man. This is just kind of weird.
Because it doesn't look like it's coming from anything. Doesn't, to me, it look like it's coming from the floor. No?
There's like a double floor here. No, that's the floor, and then there's cabinets. Then there's cabinets above. What's the matter?
I can't see it, I want to hurt you. Oh, look at all the water back there. What's that back there? Oh my God.
This is ridiculous. This is really bad.
What are you talking now here?
Huh?
We're talking like a contractor coming to take the floor apart, no?
I don't know. No, we'll figure it out. Just seems like it's coming from this area. There's nothing.
No, it just started coming, moving across, little by little. Now, what am I hearing right now over here? Over here. I know I hear water, but why? There's nothing running. I feel
Where's
stupid.
Where's this go?
What, honey?
Where's
thing?
this? Yeah.
I don't know. Outside. This would be the washing machine.
That'll be what?
Washing machine.
The washing machine.
No, and there's nothing running.
Okay. It sounds like it's running up on top here.
Right?
Can you hear that?
Yeah, that's why I said to you. I didn't notice it any other day till today. I'm like, what am I hearing? Would that be the kitchen sink right there? That copper pipe that's coming down? Or no?
Yeah, but why would it be
I don't
leaking
know.
way over here?
Okay. All right.
And I think that's where the dishwasher is. Well, where's the hot water? I think it's cold because it's not hot because it don't seem hot. It seems cold.
No, and I can tell it's cold because it was frozen on the wall. You know what I mean? The water that was coming on the wall.
Stay over there. See if you can hear it when I shut this off.
Okay. Yeah, still here. Now, what about this valve? This in here. Is this just for outside?
Yeah, that's for outside.
Alright.
That has nothing to do with that. I think it's probably where it goes up through.
Wait, you said right here?
Oh,
Slowing down.
shit.
You
I could
slowing
hear
down?
it hissing. It's probably where it goes up here.
Slowing down now. Should you?
'Cause it's all wet over there also, but you would figure that would really be flooding. Unbelievable. Go over there and turn that valve back on. Let me see if I could hear it. You see that valve that I shut off with the red handle? Yeah, just turn that. Shut it off. Boy, it sure sounds like it's coming from over there. Go ahead.
On?
Turn it on. You got a bathroom on the second floor?
Yeah. That's over here. No? The second floor bathroom is above here. here.
Is there anything above the kitchen sink? Any bathrooms above the kitchen sink area?
No, that's my, oh, it's the living room up there. Who is this?
Wow.
Who is it?
Yeah, I can see it. Turn it on again. I can see it pissing right there. Go ahead, turn it on.
Oh, yeah? Alright, ready?
Is it off? Turn it on. I can see it pissing right out. Alright, shut it off. You shut it off? Yeah, I see it pissing right out there. Alright, we're gonna have to cut this.
I want to see what you can't see it now, but
It's definitely, I can cut it and put a piece of PEX in there. Yeah, come on over here on this side, over on this side, and you can see it. You can see it pissing out. See it pissing out right above the floor?
oh yeah, that created all that.
Can you see it pissing?
Yeah,
It's squirting
it's
right out.
squirting right this way.
Yep, it's a
Hey, you
squirt.
know what I got over here? You want to use some of my plumber stuff?
It's a leaker.
Who's Molly? What kind of door?
It's a leaker. You got it off. No, you got it on still.
Look, oh, sorry. Look, here, look. Use this.
Alright.
I got some spot pot. Plumber safe.
Oh, for plumbing. Alright, let's see.
Why not?
We're gonna have to open that. Cause that door open?
Yeah, you just, I'm gonna move that
Alright.
bucket and then we just
I'm gonna gotta get my tools down here and I want to solder a PEX adapter and come up with PEX for this thing.
That little hole created all that water.
Yeah, that hole right there.
So what are you saying now? Whenever the water was on, right, in the house, whenever we used anything.
It was just spraying right above that. Wow,
Okay.
that's really, look at, you can see the hole right in there.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Unbelievable.
So whenever wash machine, anything that was running, it was coming out, right?
Alright, so I gotta solder that on there. I don't know if I can move this wood out of here.
You know, that's that melamine board I put there, right?
Well, I gotta move it so I can get in here to work.
I found a few locations for Ricardo near you.
So I had to lift it up and then drain it out of here. Once that cools, I could jig clamp it, and then we can go upstairs and do our thing. Wow, this thing's really bad. That it's gonna probably dry. It's been
You
leaking.
want to take a picture of that coat hanger? I mean, why is there a coat hanger holding pipes together?
Coat hanger?
You know, remember you said you made me laugh? Look, right here. Sorry, you can push it in. Right here, come on.
Yeah, crazy.
I mean, and then you...
She's a leaker.
One day, why do you have no cable? The cable guy came in.
She's a leaker.
The cable wires hanging off into the floor.
Flipping leaker is right. Oh shit.
And I don't know why we don't know why the...
Alright, so I jig clamped it there. Now we can go upstairs and put another shut off and a clamp and we should be set.
So what do you want to take upstairs?
I'll do it.
No, I'm gonna help you.
Alright, so I put it against the wall and I clipped it
No,
so that
this.
thing won't catch it.
Should we not run anything today
No.
and wait a day?
No, we're gonna turn it on right now.
No, I meant like dishwasher, washing machine.
No, I'm gonna turn it all back on and see if I got any leaks. Should be good to go. Hopefully.
Well, yeah, I mean, I just didn't know if you waited there.
No, it's gonna be that water's gonna start. It's gonna dry up, but it's gonna take a little while. I mean,
Yeah.
that thing was squirting right out of there. That was really bad. All right, so let's see if we got any leaks. Maybe that's why she was. She had a high water bill. Maybe that's why she had a high electric bill.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Alright, so it's not dripping
Oh,
there.
you can hear it. It's quiet. You can even hear it though, right?
Yeah, it was definitely. We gotta make sure we got water upstairs, but looks like boy, it's really getting dry down here.
I want to make sure it doesn't come down here.
It's already drying up.
Hey,
It's already drying up.
another good review.
Did you shut this valve off the other
No,
day?
No.
No, you couldn't. You couldn't even
couldn't.
shut it.
Nope.
Yeah, you did. You shut the
Did I?
water off to it. Well, maybe I did. I have to call this the Taj Mahal. Don't look like it's leaking. See if it works. Look at that, huh?
Yep.
Unbelievable. good enough for this neighborhood.
No.
I circled it so you know where it is, but yeah, it's a pinhole.
That's crazy, huh?
Unbelievable.